I feel like Mr. Rogers. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So I thought I should start off the new year with a healthy recipe for you all. As you know, we are going to be making salmon in the air fryer. The air fryer that I'm using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. And let me tell you, doing salmon in the air fryer is a beautiful thing. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have my salmon. I did cut it in half. I have some melted butter. I'm going to go ahead and put that on pretty good. I have been wanting to try this seasoning. It's Chef Paul's Magic Salmon Seasoning. I heard this is really good. You can season your salmon however you like. I did get this off Amazon. I did put up an Amazon store. The link is down in the description if you are interested on checking this out. I'm going to go ahead and season our salmon. We are all seasoned up. I put that on pretty good. I am not going to season the other side. The other side is the skin. I have our fillets in the air fryer basket. I did not spray the basket. I'm hoping we will be okay. I guess we will find out. Okay, let's go pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have our air fryer set at 380 degrees for 12 minutes. About 8 minutes in or so, I will go ahead and check it. Okay, it took the 12 full minutes. This is what we have. Yummy. Okay, let's go ahead and plate one of these up. Okay, I just noticed my camera shut off. I either didn't have it on record or it just shut off for some reason. But I already took a bite, of course. I kind of destroyed it here. But this is cooked perfectly. The skin on the bottom is nice and crispy. The seasoning is awesome. So good. I would like to give a special welcome to my new subscribers. I have a feeling most of you got an air fryer for Christmas. If you ever have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below, or you can email me personally, and that is down in the description box. Happy New Year, everyone. Let's make it the best year yet. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you